Welcome to Best Pick. Top 10 Best Ceragem Master V4 Massage Bed and Massage Table Massage Pad in 2021. Top 1. Ceragem Master V4 EMB1101 New Personal Thermal Therapeutic Bed. Scan of the spine. The spine scan function is designed to measure the length of the spine and determine its natural curves. 2 external searchlights, 3 and 9 spheres, allow 2 people to use the device at the same time, lying on the device and warming up the external searchlight. Setting the temperature at 1 degree Celsius intervals. 6 levels of intensity and 12 massage modes. Sound therapy, ergonomic design, easy-to-use control panel, equipped with a large LCD screen. Top 2. Ceragem Master V4 CGM MB1101 is individual massage bed. Ceragem Master V4 ECGM MB1101 is individual massage bed. The bed is in a good condition, measuring the length and curves of the spine. The thermal device adapts to you thanks to the function of scanning the spine and the advanced system of movement of the internal carriage. Analysis of biologically active points. Analysis of body parameters. 6 levels of intensity and 12 massage modes. Sound and ergonomic design. Features: scan of the spine. The spine scan function is designed to measure the length of the spine and determine its natural curves, this allowing you to get a massage tailored personally for the user. Now you can more effectively affect the biologically active points and spine of each individual user. 6 levels of intensity and 12 massage modes. Components: 3 sphere and 9 sphere SPOTLIGHTWS, 2 cover for spotlight. Control panel. 2 sheet covers. Top 3. Ceragem Master V4 ECGM MB1101 Massage Bed. Product description. Ceragem Master V4 ECGM MB1101 is individual massage bed. The bed is in a good condition, measuring the length and curves of the spine. The thermal device adapts to you thanks to the function of scanning the spine and the advanced system of movement of the internal carriage. Analysis of biologically active points. Analysis of body parameters. 6 levels of intensity and 12 massage modes. Sound and ergonomic design. Features: scan of the spine. The spine scan function is designed to measure the length of the spine and determine its natural curves, this allowing you to get a massage tailored personally for the user. Now you can more effectively affect the biologically active points and spine of each individual user. 6 levels of intensity and 12 massage modes. Components: 3 sphere and 9 sphere SPOTLIGHTWS, 2 cover for spotlight. Control panel. 2 sheet covers. Top 4. Ceragem Ceratonic MAT Ceramic S1. Product description. Ceragem Ceratonic Mat Ceramic S1 is unique full-size thermal mattress. The advantages of the Ceramic S1 MAT. Thermal mat consists of 779 unique ceramic cells of 6 cold form. They are composed of environmentally friendly materials, well conducting heat, such as elven, yellow clay and jade. Ceramic cells emit a large number of that favorably affect the human body. The special design of the mat allows you to concentrate the temperature not on the sides of the device, but in its central ceramic cells, which helps to concentrate the temperature and provide more effective penetration of the heating in the spine. The hexagon is close to the circle, an ideal natural figure, but it has an advantage: closely adjacent to each other, hexagons allow you to use the entire useful area of the honeycomb, filling it with heat as much as possible. The mat does not emit electromagnetic waves, as its heating elements are securely isolated. Heat mass. Ceramic cells made of ceratonic ceramic. Ceratonic is unique composition. It made from natural mineral jade 40%, yellow clay 40% and unique patented Ceragem composition 20%. Ceratonic ceramic mixture is subjected to firing in a furnace at a temperature of 1200 degrees Celsius. Ceratonic ceramic maintains a surprising density and strength. When heated, ceratonic ceramic intensively emits long-wave heat, similar to the natural thermal radiation of the human body. Ceratonic matte ceramic S1 is adapted to use at home, does not require special skills. It can be used by both adults and children. Heat mat creates the effect of sauna at the maximum temperature. Technical parameters: weight 12.5 kilograms. Dimensions: 190 x 80 cm. Rated voltage: 220 V. The device works only through a converter with 110 to 220 volts. Returns are not accepted. Top 5. Nougat Best and 5 New. Natural tourmanium ceramic made out of tourmaline, volcanic rock, germanium, Ilan rock. Two internal projectors moving at the same time, they stimulate the entire spine from the cervical to the thoracic and lumbar, providing effective massage and thermal effects. Thermal tourmanium MAT helps to normalize blood circulation in the legs during the massage. External tourmanium projector with 5 balls helps to additionally influence the problem and pain areas with long-wave infrared rays. Strengthen immune system. Immune system is known to be a fighter against diseases and viruses. Top 6. Deluxe Jade Therapy Massage Bed Table, with back tilt, tourmaline stone and carbon fiber far infrared heating, for spinal traction decompression. Full body roller system, 11 rollers total, 7 rollers in the back area and 4 rollers in the leg area. Each roller is made of graded jade, and individually heated, electric back lift. Improved S-shape patented drive rail follows contour of spine, far infrared carbon fiber heating panels and tourmaline stones installed for ultimate therapy, temperature adjustable from 100 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Massage table displays temperature in Celsius only. 2 external heating wands included, 5-ball and 11-ball wand, each individually heated. Solid heavy-duty metal wood construction allows any person up to 350 pounds. Digital LCD controller included. Overall bed size, 6.5 feet LX 28 inches WX 20 to 32 tall, depending on back height adjustment. Power requirements, 110 V/60 Hz per 120 watts. Full warranty included, covers 3 years on frame and 1 year on electronics. Ships LTL freight with curbside delivery. Top 7. Healthy Line Far Infrared Heated Chakra Mat, large heating pad, 7 crystals for balancing, healing Reiki and yoga, muscle, joint, nerve pain relief in the back, shoulder and neck, large 76 inches x 32. Rebalance your chakras. If you have been feeling less vital and energetic or in an emotional funk, it is possible that you have a chakra that is clogged or stuck. Chakra healing sessions help people realign their bodies and bring them back into harmony. What's inside the mat? Our infrared heating pads are constructed with 21 functional layers. The entire top surface of the mat infused with certified jewelry-grade untreated, unpainted, and crushed natural healing crystals aligned to your chakras like amethyst, crown, sodalite, third eye, blue lace agate, throat, green aventurine, heart, yellow aventurine, solar plexus, carnelian, sacral, and red jasper, base. 4-inch-1 therapy support temporary relief of minor muscle pain, joint pain, stiffness, and muscle relaxation and temporary increase of local circulation where applied. When heated they emit deep penetrating far infrared rays, range of 5 to 14 m, and calming negative ions, range of up to 1500 per cc. Additional layers not only block EMF radiation, but make the mat comfortable and easy to use. Yoga and Reiki. Whether you are a health practitioner, Reiki master or an at-home user, you can now own your very own Healthy Line 7 chakra mat with infrared heat therapy and enjoy complete access to its many health benefits. The product includes a carrying case and an LED display controller to manage time and temperature settings. 5-year warranty. Buy now with confidence. Top 8. Full Body Massage Mat, Shiatsu Back Massager with Heat and 10 Motors Vibrating Massage Mattress, Shiatsu Massage Pad for Bed, Massager for Neck and Back, Thighs, Legs. About this item. Relax Full Body. The massage mat combines Shiatsu massage, rolling, heat and vibration massage functions to provide you with a comfortable full body massage to relieve stress, tense and fatigue and improve sleep quality. Rolling Shiatsu Massager. The massage mattress has 4 rotation nodes to provide rolling or Shiatsu massage for full back, upper or lower back. As for rolling massage, the massage balls travel up and down across the muscle gently. You can adjust the width of massage heads to custom fit the body. You can install the detachable flap to soften the Shiatsu intensity if need. Heat to repay. The Shiatsu back massager come with a movable heating pad, which can be used for any part of the body. It provides hot therapy to relieve back muscle tension, tense and fatigue, menstrual cramps and stomach discomfort, leg arthritic, etc. and enhance blood circulation. Vibration massage. This full body massager features 10 vibrating motors provide soothing gentle massage from back, hip, thighs to legs. 3 program modes and 3 variable massage intensities offer you the best massage you can customize. Deluxe design. Premium PU leather cover is easy to clean, is comfortable and durable for long-time use. The deluxe massage mat for full body is foldable and packed in Oxford fabric carry bag, is perfect Thanksgiving gift, best Christmas gifts for mom, dad, women or men. If the Shiatsu massage pad for bed does not meet your expectations, return it for full money back within 30 days. Top 9. Luxton Home Premium Memory Foam Massage Table, easy setup, foldable and portable with carrying case. About this item. Memory foam, for premium comfort. This massage table features 5 cm of foam. The top 2 cm is a scientifically designed memory foam and the remaining 3 cm below is regular foam. The foam combination creates the best support for the body at any angle. Easy setup. This massage table only takes 1 or 2 minutes to set up and only have a few steps. Read the reviews to see for yourself. Portable and foldable, constructed to be very sturdy and yet still lightweight for portability. It is foldable with a compact design and a carry-on bag. It even comes with a face hole in the middle for shorter people and a side pouch for oils or other accessories. Strong and sturdy support. The mattress is crafted with precision and made with high-quality, durable materials. It is tested to hold a maximum weight of 250 kg or 551 pounds. It is professionally made with hardwood frame and durable steel support cables. Adjustable heights. The memory foam massage table is built with knobs on each leg for adjustable height. It can be adjusted by turning off the knobs on the leg and take out the movable leg to adjust the height by choosing the holes on the movable leg. And then, put back onto the leg and fasten the knobs firmly. Top 10. Tech Massage Table Portable Massage Bed Massage Therapy Table Spa Bed 84-inch Adjustable 2-Fold Salon Bed Face Cradle Bed Black. About this item. Ergonomic operation. The portable spa bed features a removable headrest, a swing hand pallet, and 2 rectangle armrests. You can put hands on the hand pallet when you're lying face down on the massage table. Or you can relax arms on the armrests when you face up. A small hollow area in the bed can be used for someone who is short and thin placing his or her face. Height adjustable headrest. The headrest, also face cradle, is removable if you do not need it. It is adjustable for different heights or angles too. The headrest adopts quick fix locking device, through which the angle of the headrest can be adjusted. Excellent workmanship. The professional facial bed is constructed of aluminum alloy and composite board frames, beechwood legs and spongy cushion covered by PVC leather. Give you a comfortable experience and a durable service. Easy to set up. It is easy to set up and close the spa bed. You do not need a tool at all. Open the case and you will see the bed legs inside as well as other accessories. Pull the legs out and adjust into the height you need, including a headrest, a hand pallet and 2 armrests in position. foldable and portable. If you are a mobile therapist, a foldable and portable massage bed is very convenient and less weight for you to carry around. The whole massage bed will become a portable case with clasps after it is folded. If you want it for home use, it also saves space when not in use. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.